Okay, so thank you very much, Professor Kumas, for your very kind introduction. My name is Zhao. I'm from School of Medicine, Suzhou University in China. So today, it's my great honor to give a lecture about Chinese culture at Kyoto University. So the title of my presentation is Drug Discovery in China, from traditional Chinese medicine to emerging nanomedicine. My lecture mainly consists of 4 parts: introduction, evolution of drug discovery in China, summary and outlook, and finally I will give you a brief introduction of Suzhou, the city I am living in, and the Suzhou University, the university now I'm working for. Introduction. So the history of human being is it's just the history of fighting against the various diseases. Every day, millions of people's lives are threatened by serious diseases such as cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease. Therefore, the discovery of efficient drugs is very crucial to win this war against the diseases. Today, my topic is about the drug discovery in China. So as you know, China is a big country in the west of Japan. So China has a total area of 9.6 million square kilometers, a population of about 1.4 billion. And China has a very long history of civilization of over 5,000 years. I will introduce the evolution of drug discovery from traditional Chinese medicine, so several thousand years ago, to currently emerging nanomedicine.